When I first started Red Gum, one of the very first events we did, I cooked a hog. But I really started kind of getting really introduced into cooking a whole hog when I spent time in Georgia and met a bunch of different pitmasters over there. Pigs are a really wonderful way to kind of feed people en masse. For me, it's like the most traditional form of barbecue there is. This concept of a barbecue pit is pretty much about digging a big hole in the ground, filling it with coals, putting some sort of grate or mesh over the top, and then they'd cook hogs. So I've made 3 custom pig cookers. I just feel like somehow welding and building cookers goes hand in hand with being a pitmaster. So this year's Meatstock, we are doing a whole hog barbecue. The way we do it, it's so tasty. Back in the day, people would cook a whole pig and that's how they'd celebrate. It was really important to us that we went to Meatstock with a really unique offering to the people that love barbecue. At some point during the cook, we'll be taking them off and chop them all up in front of people. It's a big spectacle, so there's a lot of meat going on.